Hello, my name is Tina, and let me welcome you to the video presentation of Wisdom of Brad Yates that I've learned. This article is written by Rishan B, and this video presentation is brought to you by AttractingAbundanceHQ.com. Brad Yates has been successful in creating abundance in his life, and it has been a while now since he started teaching people on how to do so. I have taken some important lessons from his wisdom when I came across his work a couple of years ago. First, wisdom. How you feel about your goal or focal point is a reflection of what you attract in life. Brad imparts one crucial trait is that what you're feeling is an express link to what you are attracting. For example, if you feel dire and hesitant towards riches, then you'll be attracting more scarcity. This is also passed on by many other coaches of the law of attraction, such as Abraham Hicks, Bob Proctor, and Carol Luke, to name a few. I will be giving you one lesson that holds accurate. If I'm feeling great about money, I find that, let me continue with an example, I'm more inspired to take feet, I'm more excited with new ideas about money, and I'm more receptive in embracing opportunities around me. I obtain a mood of vastness in relation to my objective or part that I'm running on. Second, wisdom. Have the means to control our feelings about any objective or focus by using AFT. Brad also imparts that the key device to manage your feelings about any objective or focus that you're running on is EFT. It has been confirmed by a whole group of clinically reviewed studies that EFT works. It works on my experience as an appeal to eliminate the unwelcome charge from opinions and attitudes. It also helps me set a positive response in provisions of my opinions and attitudes. Another thing that I've discovered from knowing Brad Yates' works is that he changes the keepsake expression when choosing on a variety of points. What I'm referring to is, in case you are not familiar with this, is simply the expression you reiterate while doing the EFT process. Choosing on the variety of points while changing what you reiterate permits you to aspire more parts at the same time. Let's assume that some will be more inflexible than others. In this case, just do a committed round of tapping on the inflexible feature. I also singled out an angle of being able to choose in affirmative opinions and attitudes. Customarily, EFT has been applied to remove the harmful charge around opinions and attitudes. Nonetheless, it's also tremendously efficient at establishing positive opinions and attitudes. To do this, you need to change the collection phrase to include a productive option, then choosing while reiterating the productive option. Let me cite an illustration. It could be, although I'm anxious to find the money to pay for my next loan payment and I'm really apprehensive about it, I choose to feel confident about my skill to earn some extra cash and make the fee in time. The keepsake expression would be confident about my skill to earn extra cash and make the fee. It is a bit of critical illustration, but hey, it works. I wish this piece dropped some light on the wisdom that can be studied from learning the teachings of Brad Yates. These are my resources. My website at http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life at http://attractingabundancehq.com/video-reveals-step-by-step-blueprint-for-anything-you-want. How to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff, Jedi mind power skills, or years of practice guaranteed at http://manifestitalltoday.com. slash manifest anything. And lastly, Effortless Abundance Blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success at http:// effortlessabundancesite.com. Have a nice day.